Welcome back to another bow kit tutorial. So here we see all of our layers. This is our bottom piece, our center piece, and our top layer, followed by our center grab, and then of course our hair clip itself. So we are going to start with our middle layer. We're going to need some hot glue, and we're going to bring these ends just before the center of the bow, and that's going to give us a fuller bow. You don't need a whole lot of glue, but you do want to hold it down for a few seconds just to make sure that it is adhered well. I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. Oh, a little too much. That's okay. And again, we're going to hold it down in place for a few seconds to make sure that it holds. So now we're going to move on to what's going to be our top layer. This one's going to be a little bit different, and we're going to bring the tabs all the way to the center. So halfway through we put one tab, and then we cover the remaining part with the other tab. Again, hold it in place for a few seconds, and now we're going to combine the layers. I'm going to put some glue right in the center. And then that seam, I'm going to turn it over and place that on top of the glue. Make sure you align the centers. And then again, just pinch it for a few seconds. Now we're going to glue these to the bottom layer. This is called the tail. Again, we're going to center them and then hold it in place once again. Okay, now it's time to use our center grab. Place a little bit of glue in the center, and then we're going to center that piece so that we have enough length on each side. Now our center grabs are a little bit long, so we will end up having to trim them in a little bit. Okay, so now we turn our bow over and we are going to add our clip. So I'm going to put a line of glue straight across the clip, and we're going to center that on that tail layer. Okay, now pinch it in place to allow the glue to dry. So now I'm going to measure this center grab so I see how much to cut off. Okay, so we see there's a lot of overage there, so we're going to bring it over and I'm going to snip off the end. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Okay, now we're going to glue this in place to secure our bow to the clip. I'm going to put a dot of glue at the top between the layers, and then inside the clip itself, make sure to keep it open. We're going to pull that as taut as we can and hold it in place. And we're going to repeat the same thing with the other end. Another dot of glue in this clip, and then pull taut and hold it in place. And now your bow is complete. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to leave us a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.